Another edition of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. And we are now here at the PSC Conference Hall inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Stadium. And this morning, we have the Samahang Basketball of Pilipinas and our national teams. Yes, we discuss about 3x3 basketball and their exploits, and of course, paparating pang mga blue chip competitions in both 3x3 and 5-on-5. I'm running along of Manila Standard Report.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Hope that you are with us through our live stream sa pamagitan po ng PSA Facebook page, fb.com/Philippine Sports Writers Association. Also on a delayed basis over Sports Radio 918. Ako po si Judith Carinato.
And partner, before we introduce our guest for the first part of the PSA, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Philippine Sports Solution, Philippine Olympic Committee, Milo Philippines, Senegal Corporation, and Amino Plus.
And yes, super loaded tayo sa discussion sa umaga na ito. But first, we will be congratulating our triumphant Gilas Pilipinas Under 23 3x3 team, fresh from winning that Nation League's Asia 2 Conference. Imagine 3 legs, 3 titles, and several runner-up finishes. So let's all welcome our team. So we have our players. We have Earl Medina of Adamson. Hi, Earl. Kochi Villaflor from USC naman, di ba? And then Juniel De La Rama, okay, from San Beda. Of course, ang kanilang coach, Coach JJ Espanola. Congratulations, Coach. And the program director of our SVP for 3x3, Coach Ryan Gregorio. Welcome to the PSA Forum. Congratulations, guys. Opening remarks probably from Coach and Director Ryan Gregorio, please.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Taos-pusong pasasalamat po na naimbitahan po kami ulit dito sa forum, sa PSA Forum. And it's always nice to be with all of you as we celebrate victories na talagang pinaghirapan namin. At gusto ko rin po magpasalamat unang-una sa liderato ng SPP, kay Chairman MVP, of course, kay President Ricky Vargas, sa aming Executive Director si Ma'am Erica Lee, at sa lahat po ng tumutulong para maisa katuparan natin ang ating mga pangarap na parating manalo. Unang-una dyan, of course, yung ating main sponsor na NLEX sa pangunguna ni Luis Redion at ni Team Governor Ronald Tulatre. Malaking bagay po talaga sila na tumutulong dito sa ating pupunan. At pati po yung mga eskwelahan, I will just take advantage yung mga eskwela na nagpahiram para magkaroon tayo ng mga players na nagtatagumpay ng ating mga minimithing karangalan para sa ating bansa. Nandyan po ang FPU, maraming salamat po kay Coach Mark Molina, pati kay Coach Sean Chambers na pinahiram si Cabs Cabunilas, pati na rin si Jed Daa. Nagbago ang kanilang training camp para talagang ma-accommodate yung schedule also ng Nations League. Of course, kay Boss Al Francis Chua, pati kay Coach Pilo Arencio na napahiram si Coach Villaflor, malaking bagay talaga sila. Hindi sila nag-aatubili at nagdadalawang isip na ipahiram sa ating kupunan whenever there are tournaments that we are participating in. Coach Nash Nocela, kaibigan ko yan, kasama ko po noong araw sa Gilas Pilipinas coaching staff na pinahiram naman si Earl Medina na napakalaking bagay din as what you saw in our tournament, very, very big contribution. And Coach Jude Roque, together with Coach Yuri Speta, na pinahiram si Junel De La Rama. So those are the people that I'm very, very thankful for. Of course, our coaching staff led by our team lead trainer na si Coach Kerr Collier at si Coach Patrick Fran at pati kay Coach JJ na napakaganda ng kanilang performance in the previous Nations League. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat and congratulations. Excited ako yung pinaka-intro talagang hindi nasabi. They qualified to the FIBA 3x3 Under 23 World Cup. Kaya dami pa na mga natin itong ating team na ito. Congratulations. Let's go si Coach. Opening remarks mo muna, Coach.
Again, thank you you to everyone who's here. Coach Ryan already said all the things, and I just want to again thank the discipline and the players who are here to sacrifice their extra work, extra practice, just to also be part of Gilas Pilipinas. So with that said,
Yes, thank you very much, Coach. Again, congratulations. And of course, we'd like to acknowledge Martin already, si Executive Director ng SBP, Americally, who is waiting for weeks para sa kanyang party. And of course, Media Relations Officer of
Yes.
SBP, Coach William, yes. So, siguro first,